everything you know is a lie. Did the Titanic really hit an iceberg, or was it the most perfect insurance fraud and cold-blooded murder in history? Deep at 12,000 feet, classified footage has been discovered that governments have kept hidden for over a century. Today, we are exposing a truth so dark, it will leave you breathless. Are you ready to face the impossible? The cursed night of 1912, where luxury and death embraced. The Titanic was called unsinkable, but destiny had a different plan.
But the mystery begins before it even set sail, where the two ships, the Olympic and the Titanic, secretly swapped. Why did J.P. Morgan cancel his trip at the very last minute? Did he know this ship was never coming back? While the ship cruised mid-ocean, why were the lifeboats intentionally reduced? Was it mere negligence or something darker? Was it truly the iceberg that took her down? Or was there an internal explosion that the crew tried to hide? Why did the ship's steel plates shatter so easily? Did the investigation hide the truth about substandard materials? Do you believe the Titanic actually sank, or was it the Olympic? Let us know in the comments. Exactly 11:40 p.m., Lookout suddenly spotted a mountain-like figure, but there was no time left to steer the ship away. Why the officers couldn't access their lockers and why there were no binoculars remains a massive unsolved mystery. After the collision, water rushed into the lower decks. Passengers still believed they were safe in the arms of luxury. Why Captain Smith pushed the ship to such high speeds that night still puzzles researchers. There may have been unseen pressure. Bruce Ismay may have pressured the captain to increase speed so the Titanic could claim the prestigious Blue Ribbon Award. A coal fire had been in the engine room long before. That heat might have been melting the ship's structure from within. The coal fire weakened the steel plates, which is why the ship couldn't withstand even a slight impact from the iceberg. Why the SS Californian, standing just miles away, failed to come to the rescue remains one of history's greatest tragedies. The white flares were distress signals, but the Californian's crew mistook them for celebratory fireworks. Standing on the brink of death, the musicians never stopped playing. Their courage continues to inspire people today. When the ship snapped in two, the roar was beyond description. The Titanic signaled its final goodbye to the Atlantic depths. Survival was impossible in the -2-degree freezing water. Within minutes, everything went silent. Designer Thomas Andrews was last seen alone in the smoking room, watching the destruction of his own creation. According to folklore, an ancient Egyptian mummy in the cargo hold may have cursed the ship and caused its demise. In 1985, Robert Ballard discovered the wreck. He saw scenes that left the world in a state of shock. Special bacteria are consuming the Titanic's iron. Within a few decades, it may crumble into dust. Many passengers opposed the formation of the Federal Reserve. Was this accident staged to eliminate them? The ship still sleeps in the deep, but the untold stories of thousands who perished continue to haunt us. Wireless operators left a critical warning message on the desk, a message that could have prevented the disaster. The RMS Carpathia was the only ship that raced at full speed that night to save lives. Researchers believe the supermoon tide brought the massive icebergs directly into Titanic's path. History has never given a clear answer as to why third-class passengers were locked behind iron gates. Fatal design flaws weakened the ship's bulkheads, making it impossible to contain the water. If the Olympic was sunk as the Titanic, the massive insurance payout was the primary motivation. Researchers often hear strange metallic sounds near the wreck, striking fear into the hearts of many. Pairs of shoes found at the wreck lie there as silent witnesses to their owner's final moments. The British and American governments still hold classified files that may reveal the true cause of the disaster. The ship's logbook was never found, a book that might have contained Captain Smith's final secrets. Will the effort to build Titanic 2 create a new legacy, or will it simply repeat the tragic past? After over a century, the Titanic remains a massive puzzle in human imagination and history. Perhaps one day we will know the true story. Or maybe it is lost forever, 2 miles beneath the Atlantic.